Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums. We're at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia. We're right across the street from Havenly's Furniture. Just coming to you guys today to talk to you guys about some of the stuff we have and show you guys our store. If you guys want to come on in, take a look. Alright, so this is the store. We sell a lot of different vacuums, sweepers, shampooers, stick vacuums, all type of things. We have a lot of different makes and models. Some of the models we're just going to go over with you guys so you all know what we sell. We do also offer central vacs as well as repairs and services, cleanings, tune-ups, everything like that. So the first selection we're going to talk about is Simplicity. Simplicity is an American-made company. They have a lot of different affordable vacuums. They have canister vacuums. They have lightweight vacuums, bagless vacuums, as well as stick vacuums. So if you're in the market for something like that, as well as we also have our central vacs. We have a few different varieties. This is one of them. This is Ricard. We do service calls on all of our central vacs. So if you have a central vac in your home that's already, that's maybe older, it's not working, or you just want to upgrade or have it looked at, if it's not sucking up or anything like that, just give us a call here at the store. We'll have somebody come out and take a look at it for you. Next, we have our selection of Dyson stick vacuums. Our #1 selling brand right now is Miele. They have a wide range of variety as well. They just come out with the new Triflex, which is really nice. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum. We have all of our canister selection here, from our classic C1s to our C3s, our home care line, which is a really good line. Then we also, Miele has their new robot, Scout RX2. That's a really good vacuum. Our uprights. Next, I'm going to take you guys over here to our Ricard section. We do also sell shampooers as well. Ricard has a lot of different makes and models. They're really good uprights, and they have a really good canister vacuum as well. They have super lightweight vacuums. Their new series is the R25, which is really nice, and then you go up from there to your R30s and your R40s. Then you have their canister vacuums, which is the Primas. These are really nice. They have tandem air, and the upgraded ones, you have 3 different levels of these. As well as next, we're going to look at our backpacks. This is for a lot of our commercial customers. So we have a couple different backpack vacuums that we sell, Titan, Clean Max, and things like that. If you guys need any, we do services and repairs. Like I said, it's a free estimate. We don't charge anything to come in and take a look at your vacuum. If it's not sucking up, if it's making a loud noise or anything at all, or you just want to have it clean, serviced, and brand new filters, bring it in. It's a free estimate. Our technician will take a look at it for you, and it's usually a same-day repair. So if you guys have any questions, you can call us at 703-997-9292. And just to let you guys know, we have a huge sale coming up next month. So check us out online for all the details. You can look at our website at www.acevacuums.com. My name is Chris. There's also another gentleman named Kevin. If you have any questions, please give us a call, and we hope to see you guys come out to our store. Thank you, guys.